Today's gonna be a good day. Hey boy, wake up. What? Hey, come on, let's watch TV. Okay, there's a new thing coming out, and it's a fidget spinner. Get one today for $6. $6? I want one so bad. I'm glad it's Dad. Dad! What? Can I get a new fidget spinner? Yeah, sure. How much does it cost? $6. Okay. Yay! I got a fidget spinner. Look at it spin. Wait, look at it spin. Look at. Yeah. Okay. Let's. Guys, see? Boy, are you okay? Wait, Dad. Can you use this fidget spinner with your tongue? Yeah, sure. Okay. There's a bunch of ways to do this fidget spinner, I think. Let me try this. Why can you not do this? Why are so many other people good? Yeah. Why? What? Why is it so hard to use? Okay, now do fidget spinner. Ah! I broke it! No! Dad, I broke my fidget spinner. Do it. How about you use glue? Okay. Hey, boy. What? I need glue. Okay. Okay. I can't do it. That's X, Dad. Dad, it didn't work. Ow. Do it. That's it. Here. Thanks, Dad. You're the best. And stop.